Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video, we're going to talk about a business credit product that will allow you to get a business line of credit without a hard personal credit check. You get instant approvals most of the time, and also you get flexible spending limits that are based upon your business revenue. So we're going to talk about what you need to get approved for this particular business card and more. So stay tuned, watch the entire video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos, because I do talk about business credit, personal credit, as well as business grants and more on this channel. Also, if you want to learn how you can get business credit and funding for your business as quickly as possible, even if you are a startup and or have bad personal credit, this is a free training webinar. So make sure that you sign up for this after you watch this video. All right, so today we are talking about Revenued. So Revenued is a business credit card that you can get without having good personal credit, without having a hard credit check or anything like that. It's a very quick process. They do instant approvals most of the time. If they don't, they will review your application within 24 to 48 hours and give you an answer. So their lines of credit go up to $100,000. So this is the way it works. They give you a flex line of credit and a business credit card bundled into one. So you get access to your business line of credit through your business card. So you can use that business card anywhere Visa is accepted. So they are giving out spending limits that grow with your business revenue. So the main focus of their approval process is your business revenue. So they're not really focusing on your personal credit. It's more about your business revenue. So this is how the application process works. Once you have started the application process, they're going to ask you some basic business questions like your EIN number, your business address, your revenue, and all of that. Then you're going to connect your business bank account to the application, and they're going to be able to look through your business bank account and look at your revenue to give you an approval amount. Also, they may ask you for a copy of your driver's license and a copy of a voided check that is connected to that business bank account that you are connecting to the application. Also, in order to get approved for a Revenued line of credit, you will need to make sure that your business is operating in the United States. You cannot be a startup, meaning that you cannot have just started your business and you don't have any revenue. You have to have revenue for at least 6 months. You have to be in business for at least 6 months. Also, of course, you have to have your business bank account, no personal accounts. You also need to have a bank account that has not gone negative more than 3 days in a month. So if you had any negative days within the past 30 days that have went over 3 days, then unfortunately you will not be able to get approved for the Revenued business line of credit. Also, right now, at the time of recording this video, if you spend $5,000 within the first 3 months, you'll be able to receive $500 cash back. Also, in addition to that, you also will receive 3% cash back on every purchase. There are no monthly or annual fees while using your card or flex line. Also, here's something that I wanted to point out. So there is an article that they did last year about the eligibility. This is not on their website. I had to look for this. So the maximum, or actually minimum, monthly sales that you need to have is $10,000 per month. Okay. And also you need to maintain an average daily bank account balance of $1,000. So you need to have at least $1,000 in your bank account on average every single day. So again, this is a no credit check type of funding option. This is something that you can get based off of revenue. This is something called alternative lending or financing that you can get even if you have bad credit, because they're mainly focusing on your revenue and your banking activity. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. Also, if you would like to learn how to clean your credit reports and boost your credit score up to 100 points or more by removing negative items such as collections, charge-offs, repossessions, late payments, and more, you need to get this DIY credit repair ebook bundle. I actually go above and beyond with this bundle because I give you 3 bonuses. You get a copy of a 609 letter that has been modified to actually get results. We also give you a list of no credit check credit builder accounts. Also, you will get a secret lenders list so you can learn some of the minimum credit scores that you need to have for certain banks. Also, you'll learn what credit bureaus they actually pull from and more. So this bundle is only $49 right now. It was $99, but it is on sale for 50% off. So you'll get the ebook plus 3 bonuses. So make sure that you check this out. The link will be in the description box down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.